Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I am Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button. If you found any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's keep it simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible. So we saw, as you can see right here, we have Xtz or Tezos with the US Tether token or Tether US dollar, and basically Tezos at the moment is sitting at price of around $2.91. We are up 21 cents or approximately 8.01% to the upside. This is how the chart looks like on a daily time frame at the moment. So we're having a beautiful upside move, and I got this prediction right, so we're going to be scale up to the lower time frame and show what I got right with this prediction right here. But overall, this is my prediction for the long term or for the long run, something like this. But yeah, in this case now we could have been entering a new upside trend, or we could have been just touching this trend line and just pushing to the downside. But we will see what will be happening with the next 2 to 3 days. This will indicate us, or we may be just touching this low like of the candle. But look, we broke through this lower high right here. All we need to do at the moment is just broke through this high right here, lower high right here, at $3.11, and this will indicate us that we just want to break through this downside trend and just keep pushing to the upside. We're not that far away. I mean, we can reach this if we just continue pushing to the upside in 2 to 3 days on maximum. And yeah, but let's just scale up to the lower time frame, for example, on the 1 hour chart, and this is what my prediction was. So my prediction was that we're gonna be pushed to the downside and just push to the upside, continue the uptrend. So yeah, exactly that happened. We never reached this line right here once more. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm not really concerned about that because this is on the 1 hour time frame, and props to the people who are day trading the cryptos, and I know a lot of people do. But in this case, the trend is getting exhausted. We broke through this high. I think that something like this may be happening. I think that we may be pushing to the downside like this, and then just continue to the upside. But we will see, bro. I'm not financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is only for entertainment purposes. This is just my opinion about this. And yeah, this will be basically it. So if you found any kind of value, make sure to like, subscribe, and also if you want the content like how to make money online, know how to make money in affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and all that good stuff, how to make money in general, subscribe. And if you want content like stocks, cryptos, and all the good stuff, subscribe too, because that's the content that you're going to find on my channel. Okay, and this is basically it, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.